Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at my coins and gems. It's actually generating, guys. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited gems and coins for cooking fiber, absolutely free, safe, online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called zaptweak.com, then type in search cooking fiber and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and just click install now, and let's wait a little bit for this installing. Okay, this working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. I test this many times and it works perfectly. This is the best mod for cooking fiber, so just follow my steps and you will get your unlimited coins and gems. Okay, let's see the next step. Okay, guys, now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and we'll start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see. Nice, guys, verification complete. Next step, check your home screen. Okay, so let me check, guys. Look at this. I download Travel Town, TikTok, and I got this cooking fiber. So let me open this and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay, let me close this. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at my coins and gems. It's actually generating, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.